Okay, it's review time. Today I'm reviewing the Shuttle art markers. This is a 50-pack set with one blender, so 51 markers you get. I got this set off of Amazon for $22.98, but right now you can get them on sale for $17.99. Let's take a look at them. So it comes in this nice pouch, this black pouch here. It's nylon, zips up. It has a carrying handle, which is very, something that is very, that you could use to carry it around. So that's a good added bonus to it, I guess, if you want to say. Now these markers, I've already been through them, so they're not in any order. But as you can see, you have all of these colors, okay? All of these colors here. And this is my blender marker, and they're numbered. Of course, they're numbered by color. Of course, this is a blending marker here, as you can see. It's kind of out of focus, but you get the gist. Like I said, they come at 51 markers here. I use these a lot for when I'm drawing in my sketch pad, or I'm sketching some type of art, mostly freehand art. I don't do any characters or anything with them, but they're good if you like do comics, or if you are if you sketch out and you're a fashion designer and you sketch out your design. So this is a good, these are good markers. Now they come with a fine side and a broad side. Fine side sort of looks like this, pointed, so you can do finer lines, outlining, and then there's a broad side that you have here. These are broadside here, so you can cover a lot of area on your sketches or drawings or whatever you're doing. Of course, they have colors, numbers, and then also they also have the actual description of what color you're using. So this is a pale pink compared to a number 17, which is a pastel pink, and you can see the difference in the colors here. I'm sorry for the shadow casting here. This is a new setup I got, trying to show you how these markers work. But anyway, I don't want to rate these, but I do want to say that I do like this set. They also have it in a 88 colors. You can buy 101 colors, 205 colors. I mean, the list goes on. I think that's the largest you can get. Like I said, they all come in a carrying case. You can get them off of Amazon. I bought these and they were shipped here in less than a day. Of course, I had Prime, but I really like these markers here. They're the best markers as far as basic markers that you can buy, and Shuttle Art did a real good job of placing them in this carrying pouch. I do like this set. I probably will get a larger set, and if you want me to review any of your products, if your company wanting me to review any of your products, just let me know, and I'll review those for you. Just send me samples of markers or pencils or coloring pencils or oil crayons or sticks, or however you want to call them. Just let me know and I'll review those for you. Next, I will be reviewing 2 different types of acrylic paints, but for now, Shuttle, I would highly recommend these markers. Shuttle's art did a good job, so I would highly recommend these if you are in the market to buy something to just do some basic artwork, or if you are a sketch artist, or you do a lot of shading and coloring. Like I said, it's great for people who are just, you know, doing basic artwork. I like the fact that this zips up here, and it's got a like this styrofoam cooling, so your markers don't you know, I guess dry out or melt. Keeps them kind of cool, and it's easy to just carry around and like throw in your backpack or whatever you carry around to do your art in. So there you have it. If you want a review, just leave a comment in the under the description. You'll see a link in the description to my website, and also subscribe, like, and follow, and share this video. I will put the link in the description below of these Shuttle art pens, so if you're in the market to buy some. All right, thank you.